Lesson 2. The first part of speech. Noun. Peace be with you. I am Rodolfo Martin Vitancol. In this video, I will present to you noun as name of a person. What is a noun? A noun is name of a person, an animal, a place, a thing, an idea, or an action. We cannot discuss nouns without first knowing what is a common noun and what is a proper noun. What is a common noun? A common noun refers to a class of person, place, thing, or concept, but not to someone or something specific. Common nouns are more general. For example, girl. The word girl is a general term that refers to a female child. Common nouns are not capitalized. Example: she is the girl I am talking about. Girl is not capitalized. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is a name of a specific person, place, thing, or concept. For example, Maria. Maria is a specific name of a girl. Unlike common nouns, proper nouns are always capitalized. Example: Maria is the girl I was talking about. Maria is capitalized. Let us start with noun as name of a person. Examples of common nouns that name a person: boy, girl, man, woman, father, mother, sister, brother, policeman, fireman, lawyer, doctor, office mate, friend, peer, colleague, customer, supplier, senator, bishop, priest, minister, tourist, stranger, thief. Examples of proper nouns that name a specific person. I list down common nouns and the proper nouns. Man is a common noun. One example for a proper noun for man is Paul. Woman, common noun. Mary, proper noun. Doctor, common noun. Dr. John Smith, proper noun. Teacher is a common noun. Miss Jane Santos, proper noun. Pope, common noun. Proper noun, Pope Francis. Saint, common noun. Proper noun, Saint Peter. Senator, common noun. Proper noun, Senator Mike Lee. President, common noun, proper noun, President Joe Biden. Quiz. This is a 20-item set of questions to test your understanding about this lesson on noun as name of a person. Instruction. Write down on a piece of paper only the nouns that refer to persons. Example. He described himself and Jerome as victims rather than participants in the scandal. Answer. Jerome, victims, participants. The word scandal is also a noun, but since it is not a name of a person, it should not be included in the answer. The questions. You may pause the video after each question to write down your answer. If you don't want to see the answers as yet, pause the video right now. The next frame reveals the answers to the questions. You have 5 seconds to decide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answers. You may pause the video after each number to check your answer. The Simplified English Grammar Program. This program is presented in a most progressive way, meaning it is proceeding step by step in logical sequence that if you jump over any of the steps, you will find difficulty in understanding what is being taught in the lesson you have jumped into. Therefore, if you are a newcomer to this channel and a first-timer in learning the English grammar, it is advisable that you start the program from the very beginning, that is, from lesson 1. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and God bless. Mabuhay!